What's up, neighbors? Welcome back to DIY Makes Sense. My name is Regina, and in today's video, I'm giving my walk-in closet a makeover. Now, if this thumbnail look familiar, it should. Because when I finished this project, I walked in and I still wasn't happy with it. So I guess this is now part one. If you want to see the final transformation of this room, stay tuned. I'm finding it very difficult to describe this room with words, so I'm just going to show you guys what I'm talking about. Yeah, I need to do better. I'm gonna do better. Get me out of here. Now, if you haven't seen part one, you gotta check that out. The link is gonna be down below. Now, I'm not just painting this room. I'm giving it an accent wall. I'm installing a brand new light fixture. And you already know I'm gonna be comparing the cost to DIY versus hire a professional. And you will not believe how much they quoted me. But you gotta watch the whole video for that. Let's get started. Ain't no way I'm gonna go in and just start painting these walls. They gotta be treated and prepped first. Now, whoever rehabbed this closet didn't care nothing about these walls, but I do. So first, I'm gonna grab my sander, hit all these ridges and bumps, then grab my joint compound and even everything out. Now, once it's all dry, sanded, and wiped down, this is what I'm working with. These walls are nice and smooth. I'm really satisfied with the results. I'm almost ready to paint, but first I gotta tape down this carpet. Yes, the carpet, because I'm painting these baseboards too. Everything's gonna get a nice, fresh, white coat of paint. Well, almost. With all the cutting done, I'm ready to paint, and I'm super excited to finally brighten up this space. After 2 coats of paint, this closet looks amazing and is the complete opposite of what it once was. Caveware. And for everyone interested in the results of my quick repair of the wall, here's a little before and after. Not perfect, but way better than what I started with. I'm painting the ceiling a completely different color. The 2 words that come to mind, bold and dramatic. And before I forget, I'll be sure to list everything that I used and where I got it from down in the description box below. Oh, I know y'all see that light, and no, it's never had a cover on it. The time has come to say goodbye, because I'm finna take this light down and install a proper light fixture next. Now, before I even get to this point, I've already cut the power to the house. Yes, the entire house. I don't quite trust the markings on my breaker box, so to avoid headache, confusion, unsureness, all of that, I cut the power off. Now let's get into this wire configuration, and I'm specifically talking about the wires that I'm working with. Now the wires coming out of my ceiling, one is white marked red. The white one is the neutral. The white marked red is hot. It would normally be black, but could be other colors as well. With the mounting bracket secured, it's time to connect this new light, neutral to neutral, hot to hot, and securing everything with wire nuts. Now I don't have a ground wire coming out of the ceiling, so the ground wire of the light, I'm going to connect it directly to the mounting bracket, just like this. Before the big reveal, how much would this have cost me had I hired a professional? I reached out to a local contractor, and for all the work you've seen performed in this video, they wanted to charge me over $1,000 a day. Oh yeah, check out their estimate. And that doesn't even include the light or the paint. So on average, this would have cost me over $2,400. But to do it myself, I spent $5 on the light, $9 on paint, $2 for extra long screws. This whole project ain't even cost me $20. I done saved basically 100% of what I would have been charged because I spent next to nothing on this project. You already know what I'm finna ask you. Does this DIY make sense? You better know it. Now let's get into the big reveal. This closet used to be a space I despised going in, but after this makeover, I have absolutely fallen in love. The white walls have completely brightened up this space, and the dark ceiling does not take away from that at all. But for me, it's all about this gold light fixture. It's the perfect touch, it balances the room out, and it just needs to be in here. Tell me I'm lying. Other than the light, I really didn't do much in this space. There's no way I'm paying a contractor $2,000 to give my closet a makeover. Ain't no way. And I really hope my videos have encouraged you to try and tackle projects on your own. You can do it. It is amazing what a can of paint can do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And I want to really thank all my subscribers, my supporters. I really appreciate you guys. I see all of your comments. I try to reply back to everybody. There's one comment that I think about quite often. It was basically saying, you know, when you say that you can do it, that's, you know, kind of like a big deal. And you guys can do it. A lot of these projects that I'm doing, I'm kind of doing them for the first time with you guys after a lot of research, but I'm performing it for the first time on video. Why would I do that? But my point is, if I can do it, so can you. Thank you so much again for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.